Okay, so in this video, we're going to discuss how to find the inverse of a given function. Okay, so the problem is find the inverse of the given function. F of x equals x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 3. Okay, how are we going to do that? So the first step is you change f of x as y. So that becomes y equals x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 3. Okay? So the second step is interchange x and y. This means that this y becomes x equals y plus 2 divided by 2y minus 3. Then solve for the value of y. So cross multiply, so that becomes x times 2y minus 3 equals y plus 2. Then distribute x times 2y to xy, x times negative 3x equals y plus 2. Okay? So x times 2y, 2xy, x times 3, negative 3x equals y plus 2. Then on the left side, combine all the terms with y. So that becomes 2xy, positive y transpose to the left becomes minus y equals to negative 3x transpose to the right becomes positive 3x plus positive 2. Then, so 2xy minus y, factor out y, so that becomes y times 2xy divide y, that's 2x. Then y divide y is 1 equals 3x plus 2. Then solve for y, so we divide both sides by 2x minus 1. So we cancel this one. So therefore, we have y equals 3x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 1. So this is the inverse of the given function. And we can write this as f inverse of x equals 3x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 1. Okay?